Attribution is critical. We need methods that can go out to an anomaly and immediately figure out, is this leakage or not? And baseline methods are not going to be appropriate for this. As we know, we're going to expect environmental change happening over time, over the time of a lifetime of a project. And I'm really thinking that when CCS is fully deployed, we're not going to be seeing leakage, but we're going to be seeing stakeholders' concerns, and we're going to need to be able to have the tools to be able to respond to their concerns. So we very early on noticed that we needed fast, accurate methods for attribution, source attribution of these anomalies. We need clear thresholds, and we need methods that can be clearly communicated to stakeholders. And what's so interesting is that if you didn't have this experience and you just went to the regulations, you wouldn't find this information either. I did a 2015 paper with Tim Dixon where we looked at 8 global regulations in CCS. And what we found was that 7 of these global regulations require that you go out and look for leaks or anomalies. And then 5 of these global regulations say that you must use, or they require that baseline or background measurements, or they suggest that baseline and background measurements be used to attribute leakage. But if you really look at the step of attribution, it's not even there. It's not even something that is brought into the consciousness of the people that are doing the projects. And so it's really important. And so at the Gulf Coast Carbon Center, we have developed a method called process-based approach, which instead of using concentrations, it looks at the ratios of coexisting gases in the soils, so that it can, and by doing this, it identifies the processes. You don't need years of background information. You only need a one-time characterization, and it can be applied in any environment.